Now the next loop is while loop. Working of for loop and while loop is almost similar. There is a syntactical difference. Syntax for while loop is initialization of the variable is done before the loop is defined. You define while loop using while keyword, and inside the parenthesis you need to define the condition. Curly brackets defines the scope of the loop. Inside the scope of the loop, write the statements to be executed. You need to update the variable that is used to iterate the loop using increment or decrement operator depending upon the logic. Let us do the same program using while loop. Write a Java program to print the text 5 times using while loop. Define the class. Our class name is while loop demo. Define the main method. You need to define a variable that will be used to iterate the loop. Here the variable name is I and data type is int and the initial value assigned is 0. You need to initialize the variable before the while loop is defined. Hence I have written over here int I equal to 0. So as soon as the interpreter reads this statement, it will allocate memory to the variable I. So memory for variable I is reserved inside the stack memory area and value 0 is stored inside it. Next we define the while loop. While keyword denotes that it is a while loop. Open the parenthesis and write the condition inside these parentheses. Initial value of variable I is 0 and the condition is I less than 5. That is, our loop will iterate from 0 to 4. Open the curly brackets, close the curly brackets, and we have written 2 lines of code. We are printing out the text and we are incrementing the variable used to iterate the loop. So as soon as the interpreter reads this line of code, it will check whether the condition is true or false. The value of I is 0. 0 less than 5, condition is true. And when the condition is true, control of the program goes inside the loop. After the control comes inside the loop, it will read the statement system.out.println. Inside double quotation marks, we have passed a string argument, that is Ojasva Online Academy. So println method will print this text to the console. So when value of I is 0, the text is printed for the first time. Next is I++ is executed. I++ is the shorthand for I equal to I plus 1. Let us solve this equation. Value of I is 0. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Now the updated value of I is 1. Hence inside the memory, value of I will be replaced by 1. And now the updated value of I is 1. After I++ is executed, the control of the program goes to the condition. So from here, the control goes to the condition statement and it checks whether the condition is true. Now the updated value of I is 1. 1 less than 5 condition is true. Hence the control of the program will come inside the loop. It will print the text to the console. Now the text is printed for the second time when the value of I is 1. I++ is executed. Value of I is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Hence the updated value of I is 2. And inside the memory, value of I is replaced by 2. After I++ is executed, the control of the program goes to the condition statement and the condition is checked. Value of I is 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5, the condition is true. Hence control of the program will come inside the loop. It will execute system.out.println and the text is printed to the console. Now the text is printed for the third time when value of I is 2. I++ is executed. Value of I is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Now the updated value of I is 3. Hence inside the memory, value of I is replaced to 3. After I++ is executed, the control of the program goes to the condition statement. Value of I is 3. 3 less than 5. The condition is true. Hence control of the program comes inside the loop. And the statement system.out.println is executed. And the text is printed to the console for the fourth time when value of I is 3. Again I++ is executed. Value of I is 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Now the updated value of I is 4. Hence inside the memory, value of I is replaced with 4. After I++ is executed, control of the program goes to the condition and the condition is checked. Value of I is 4 less than 5. Condition is true. Hence control of the program comes inside the loop and the text is printed to the console. Now the text is printed for the fifth time when value of I is 4. Next statement I++ is executed. Value of I is 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Now the updated value of I is 5. After I++ is executed, control of the program goes to the condition value of I is 5 less than 5. 5 less than 5, the condition is false, and when the condition is false, the control of the program does not go inside the loop. So from here, control of the program will come to the next statement written after the loop, and the statement system.out.println will be executed. Now the text while demo will be printed to the console. This is how we have iterated the loop from 0 to 4 and printed the text 5 times to the console without repetition of the code.